Have you ever wondered what really happens when you add 1 plus 1 in Python? Sure, it outputs 2, but what actually happens underneath? Well, it's pretty sophisticated. First, the CPython interpreter breaks the program down into tokens. These include entities such as variable names, numbers, operators, and even whitespace. These tokens are organized into what's known as a CST, or concrete syntax tree, that captures the complete physical structure of the source code. The interpreter then strips away formatting and redundant information to build an AST, or abstract syntax tree, that keeps just the logical structure of the program. Next, we need to deduce the types of the objects involved so that the interpreter can determine which addition function to use. In our case, the variable types are deduced to be inliterals, and so the integer add function gets selected. With this type information, the tree is then compiled into bytecode, which are smaller, lower-level but human-readable instructions. Finally, the PVM, or Python Virtual Machine, interprets these instructions and executes machine code to arrive at the final answer, and stores this result back into memory. So, while 1 plus 1 seems like a trivial expression, keep in mind that there's a ton happening underneath that is quite thankfully abstracted away by Python's high-level interface.